In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize status in Slack. Customizing your status is a simple way to let your teammates know what you're doing, whether you're in a meeting, out for lunch, or focusing on deep work. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to quickly update and fine-tune your status so it matches the way you actually work. First, open Slack on your computer. You can do this in the desktop app or in your browser. The process is basically the same. Once Slack is open, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your workspace name and, just above that, your profile area with your name and avatar. Click on your profile icon there. This opens a small panel that shows a preview of your profile and some quick options related to your account. In this panel, find the option that says Update your status. Go ahead and click that. This will open the status window, where you can set or change what your coworkers see next to your name. In the status window, you'll notice a text field where you can type a custom message, along with an emoji selector and a time duration. This is where you can be specific. For example, you might enter something like in a meeting, out to lunch, marchon, or heads down, focusing. Pair that with a relevant emoji to make it more visually clear and easier to scan in channels and direct messages. You'll also see that Slack often provides suggested statuses such as in a meeting or on vacation. These are handy for quick updates, but you can make them more useful by editing the suggestions to better fit your team's language or your typical work patterns. Look for an option like Edit Suggestion or a link that lets you customize those default phrases. Click on that to adjust the preset statuses. When editing a suggested status, you can change the text to something more meaningful to you, choose a different emoji, and set a default duration so it automatically clears after a certain amount of time. For example, you might set out for lunch to clear after 1 hour, so you don't accidentally stay at lunch all afternoon. Once you've made your changes, confirm or save them. From now on, updating your status will be much faster because your customized suggestions will be ready with just a click. That's all there is to it. By taking a moment to customize your Slack status and suggestions, you help your team understand your availability at a glance and keep communication smoother throughout the day.